everybody, and today I'll be showing you basically what I 3D printed. Now I've got an Xbox controller, as you can see, and I decided it's time to print a stand. It just keeps going everywhere. I end up finding it on tables, I find it all over the place. So I thought, why don't I build or just print a dedicated stand to have it in one place on my desk. And so that is what I did. As you can see, the controller's on the stand here. I'll just take that off. This is my Xbox One S controller. And here we go, here's the stand. It's a very simple print. Now you don't want to print it this way, you want to print it this way or this way. It just has to be lying on one of its sides like this. And it will look like that when you've got it on the bed. So yeah, it's a quick simple print. I'll have the link down in the description below. And yeah, so I believe this is the right way to do it, by putting it up on here, but I may be wrong. You may be able to do this too. That's another way if you want to make it lower, but it does wiggle around there. And let's see if there's any other ways. You could do like that and even drill a hole in the top if you want and have it like hooked into a wall. Anyway, I prefer just using it this way. That's the way it's intended to be, I believe. And yeah, it looks nice. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think in the comments down below. As I said, link in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video and enjoy the time lapse.